Welcome to the instructions video for the RC Circuit Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you analyze resistor-capacitor circuits by computing time constants, charging and discharging voltages, cutoff frequencies, and impedance values. It's perfect for designing filters and timing circuits. To use this calculator, start by entering your resistance value in ohms. For our example, let's enter 10,000 ohms. Next, input your capacitance value in microfarads. We'll use 100 microfarads. Then enter your supply voltage, such as 12 volts. You can also specify a time value to see the voltage at that particular moment during charging or discharging. The calculator will display your time constant, which tells you how quickly the capacitor charges or discharges. You'll also see the voltage at your specified time, the cutoff frequency for filter applications, and the circuit impedance at various frequencies. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.